Good morning, students. So after vacations we will begin our chapter number 7. We have already completed chapter number 5 and 6, that is money and banking. So in this chapter we will study about aggregate demand, aggregate supply and related concepts. So we will study about aggregate supply a bit later. Let's start from aggregate demand first. I have told earlier also the meaning of aggregate. That means a cluster of or a sum of. In economics, we always talk about the word aggregate. We do not talk about the sum or cluster. Okay, so it is the sum total of. So let's look at the definition first. Aggregate demand is also known as aggregate expenditure. It refers to the total value of final goods and services, which all the sectors of an economy. All the sectors means the producing sector, the household sector, the government sector, and rest of the world of an economy are planning to buy at given level of income. At some amount of income, they all are planning to buy in an accounting year. That means within a year. I hope you are able to understand that all the final goods and all the sectors of an economy are planning to buy at certain price, certain income in an accounting year. That is known as aggregate demand, and we created the demand for the final goods and services. Now let's look at the components of aggregate demand. So we have 4 components of aggregate demand. First, private final consumption expenditure, investment expenditure, government expenditure, and net exports. Now we denoted first one, private final consumption expenditure, as C for consumption, I for investment, G for government expenditure, and we know the formula of calculating net exports, that is export minus imports. Okay, so this is how we got the formula of aggregate demand, that is AD equals to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. But in 12th class we will only study about C plus I up to our syllabus. Okay, thank you everyone. We will begin in the next video.